Now, India today recorded 18,599 fresh cases of COVID in the last 24 hours. This is the third straight day that cases have been over 18,000. India's total active caseload stood at 1.88 lakh after 6 states across the country have reported a surge. Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu account for 84% of the country's caseload. Earlier, we spoke to Sukirti for more.
We need to look at two things. One is the Delhi Health Minister, despite the spike, as you mentioned, Delhi has been seeing. The Delhi Health Minister yesterday said that the pandemic phase is over and now Delhi is going into the endemic phase. And we earlier spoke to the Indian Medical Association President, which is India's top medical body. And Dr. J. Jailal, who heads that body, told us yesterday that the end of a pandemic cannot be declared by politicians or ministers. It has to be declared by the World Health Organization or ICMR, and to lower our guard at this crucial point could be disastrous. He said that there are several Western countries who've seen another wave of the pandemic, and India fortunately has not seen that happen so far, but we need to keep our precautions up to prevent that. So on one hand, definitely the center is taking various measures, not just in Delhi but across several states. They've all been asked to ramp up testing to ensure that there are at least 20 contacts per every positive case that are being traced and isolated. At least over 60 districts across 8 states have been asked to ramp up vaccinations for priority groups, especially districts which are the worst affected ones. So measures are being taken on different scales. There are also central teams that have been sent to states that are seeing a worrying surge in cases. But at the same time, there are ministers who are issuing these statements that this could be the end of the pandemic. However, experts differ from that point of view by saying that it could be too early to lower our guard or declare things like these. We should wait a little while and also continue with our precautions.